the screen you may see all of the parts of a plough when it is delivered in an unassembled form. The main frame, and the second one are the discs, plough hub, control wheel, attachment, stand, scrapers and the hardware. Now we'll start the assembling of this plough. As it can be seen in the video, we are loosening the nuts to remove the U-clamps from the plough frame. These U-clamps are fixed with the frame of plough on both sides, as can be seen on the screen. With the second U-clamp, a bracket is also attached and this will also be removed. Now comes the plough stand, and its U-clamp is taken out and the bracket is assembled with the stand. After that, attachment of plough is assembled with frame by using U-clamps already taken out. Meanwhile, the stand of the plough will also be assembled with attachment by using its own U-clamp as shown in the video. Now the attachment and the stand of the plough have been assembled with the frame, and this frame will be turned upside down. Now comes the hub of plough disc. By putting the bolts in given holes of hub, it will be adjusted with the frame. Here the bolts are kept loosened, and after adjusting U-plate, these are tightened. Then the bolts of scrapers are also fixed with hub at this stage to avoid any kind of inconvenience. Now the last hub of the plough will be attached, and along with the bolts of the last hub, the control wheel will be assembled. The plough disc will be assembled by using the bolts. After disc assembly, the plough will be turned back to its original position. In the last step, the scrapers will be adjusted at their position along the disc. Now the complete assembled plough is ready.